The late 20th century saw gaming take the world by storm. Even in its infancy, we saw some fascinating graphical feats in arcades. Thankfully, these days we can experience that era all over again with the latest release of Recalbox 9, software dedicated to recreating the retro home console gaming experience on modern devices. Recalbox 9 allows you to play more than 100 different home consoles, including those from the classic 8-bit Sega Genesis all the way up to the forgotten 32-bit Atari Jaguar. But that's not all. Recalbox 9 is also compatible with devices like the Raspberry Pi 4 and Zero 2W, and even with repurposed hardware from 10-year-old PCs. And what does Recalbox 9 have in store for us? Bluetooth connections have been totally rewritten for improved compatibility with controllers and audio. For example, pairing controllers at startup is now fully automated. Retro shaders meanwhile, let us replicate the look of retro gaming on modern-day TVs. Scan lines, CRT distortion and all the other effects are available to enhance our nostalgia. Then there's Windows 95 and 98 emulation via DOSBox Pure. This opens the door to classic titles such as System Shock and Descent. Recalbox 9 owners who have the Raspberry Pi Dual Hat can also benefit from a multi-resolution calibration screen and HDMI prioritization, so you can switch between PAL and NTSC at will. Recalbox 9 is free to download, allowing us to remember those days when we could be a hero for a few quarters. So if you're looking to relive some of the best games from your childhood, then why not try it now?